Introducing the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer, the ultimate cooking companion for precision and convenience in your kitchen or at the grill. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this thermometer is designed to make every meal perfect. With advanced technology and a highly accurate temperature probe, this thermometer provides instant readings in just 2-3 seconds. Pre-calibrated for your convenience, it also features a recalibration option, ensuring you always get the most precise results. Versatility is key. This thermometer isn't just for meats, it's your go-to tool for grilling, baking, deep frying, candy making, and even checking the temperature of liquids. Whether you're using an air fryer, oven, grill, smoker, or griddle, the Alpha Griller's thermometer has you covered. Say goodbye to guesswork with the large digital display and bright blue backlight. Whether you're grilling under the stars or baking in a dimly lit kitchen, the easy-to-read dial ensures you'll never miss a temperature reading. Worried about durability? This thermometer is built tough with an IP66 water-resistant rating, meaning it can handle spills and can be cleaned under running water without worry. It's not just a kitchen essential, it's the perfect gift. Packaged in an elegant foam-lined box and complete with an additional CR232 battery, in child-safe packaging, it's an ideal present for anyone who loves cooking. Whether it's a birthday, Valentine's Day, or just because, this thermometer makes a thoughtful and practical gift. With the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer, you can cook confidently and achieve perfectly grilled steaks, baked goods, or even candy creations every time. Ready to level up your cooking game? Don't wait. Click the link below and make the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer your new favorite kitchen gadget today.